So now the next thing we think about is the quality of nutritional value, not just from a macro point of view, because definitely we're talking about protein.
Right.
Right now, there's
From the micronutrient point of view,
micronutrients.
it's not found in meats.
It's not close.
No.
The vitamins and minerals that you need.
Yeah. You need that. That's in the vegetables and
Yeah.
the fruits.
Now, it's not to say that there's no minerals or vitamins in meat. It's just lacking compared to the superpower of vegetable proteins.
Right.
Yeah. And it comes down to how digestible it is. Plants, you can digest them really good.
Yes.
Meat, it's very difficult, and it sits there for,
How many days, right?
yeah.
Yeah. And I it's like if you eat raw vegetables, such as a salad, and you eat cooked vegetables, you get your bang for your buck when you have both, right? And the roughage from the vegetables, which is gentler on the system, moves things through. Whereas the meat, that there's nothing moving it through. So if somebody says, well, I eat kale salad with my steak because it's it's low carb and it's natural and it's keto and whatever. What do you say to that?
So if I'm going to eat to get healthy, I want to eat more vegetables, fruits and vegetables, the healthy stuff, get that kind of protein and pull back on the meats.
Yeah. It should be a condiment on your plate, a very small piece of meat.
I think that brings a good point up. I think a lot of people err towards meat is because they believe that you don't get all your essential amino acids.
Yeah, when it's not true. Yeah.
Right. Yeah, because you can get all your essential amino acids from plant-based products like buckwheat, soy, quinoa.
And people will always say, well, those are grains and that's not good for you and that's hard to digest and yada yada. What do you say to that?
Well, they're complete proteins, and because they have fiber and they give you all the vitamins and nutrients, it's a complete package that gives you the ability to achieve your health goals, to get healthy, even lose weight. I think people get confused when it comes to the other macronutrient of carbs. I got to stay away from carbs, because you're thinking about the processed, ultra processed,
like a donut,
carbs,
or what you call it, a bear claw, whatever those things are called, or cake.
all that nonsense stuff. That's what people think about carbs. And so
Yeah.
when I think about carbs, I think about foods that are have a lot of volume and calories. So they're not really calorie dense type of foods, but they fill you up thinking you're hungry, and they give you all the essential macronutrients, vitamins, and minerals, and ultimately they reduce inflammation,
Which is a plus,
or improves your heart health,
which is another plus.
and because they don't have all that saturated fat, better weight management.
Yes, I have to agree with that as well, because I remember when we used to eat poultry and we switched over to eating plants, we dropped significant weight. Not that we're overweight, but
Well-
without trying, we dropped a lot, right?
Try, just cut it out.
I remember some years ago, my father-in-law came to visit us, and I cooked for him, and I cooked all plants. And he ate it because, he's a guy, he didn't care. Whatever you put in front of me, I'll eat it. And he was here for 2 weeks. And I'll say about a week and a half in, he said, man, I think I need to buy some new pants. I haven't bought anything for myself in a while. So he goes and he tries on some pants. And he goes, man, these pant sizes out here like different because they're really big on me. Oh, man, I have to go down like a size or two. And he's only here for a week and a half.
From California, and we live in North Carolina.
Yeah. And I said, well, could it be that you lost weight? And he goes, oh, I never thought about that. Remember?
I forgot about that, but yeah.
He lost like a whole pant size. And he was only here for 2 weeks.
He did. He was so surprised after a week of just eating plant protein.
Yeah.
So yeah, Dad, that's you. We haven't forgotten that one. I did, but she didn't. So that's your daughter-in-law right there. Now it's on me. And so when I talk to you, if you see this, we're going to talk up again.
I love you.
So that definitely weight management's great.